The lighting design is finished. Now let's get started with the calculation. For the short overview, I'm in the Calculation Objects mode in the second tool for the working planes. Maybe you want to check again the details for a working plane. It's a little bit similar to the tool Spaces because you get here information on the left side about the height and the wall zone. The important buttons for the calculations are on the top right. So normally you can click on Calculation or this icon when you have only one light scene. DIALux always have light scene 1. When you calculate different light scenes, maybe other lighting design ideas in other light scenes or an emergency light scene, then you can decide that you want only calculate the active light scene in which you are interested. In our case, it's not necessary to change anything here. The settings for the calculation we will explain in another video. Then we have the mode for the calculation or the project, the building and outdoor planning. That's also here the default. And important on the right, the button to open and close the result overview. At the moment you have here the hint, nothing is calculated, and an empty result overview. You find only the names for the working plane listed. So let's get started. I will close it to show the process. And by the way, here you can cancel the calculation during the process if you want.
Are you really satisfied with just the free content? Unlock the full course DIALux Evo for interior lighting and take your skills to the next level.
After the calculation, the result overview opens automatically. You find the light distribution, or you can see the light distribution in the 3D view, and also the isolines that you see the different values for the illuminance levels. On the right, you can click here on the line to see the corresponding working plane. So in the 2D view, it gets here the red frame, or in the 3D view, it will be highlighted. You get the information about the calculation parameter. Here in our case, we have the default setting, the perpendicular illuminance, then the average of the illuminance in this case, and the overall uniformity for this working plane. The green sign says that the targets corresponding to the chosen utilization profile are fulfilled. So let's check the red signs. In this room, the meeting, we have a red sign. In my case, I know that we need 500 lux, so the target for the average illuminance level is fulfilled, but the overall uniformity not. And the last room, seminar room 2, has nothing, no lux level. So the reason here is that no luminaires are inserted in this room and there's also no light. Okay, so let's check it. We can choose, by the way, only one room here, and then you get the filtered results on the right side in the calculation overview. Sometimes it's easier to handle it when you have many rooms, then I prefer to choose here the room I'm interested in.